Not a bad afternoon. Wind is coming straight from that tree there, which is highly unusual. We get sort of that way, but there is a little bit of a breeze. And what do we have? We have the F35. Now the F35 is getting a bit crinkle cut, so if we have a look at what we've done, and we've got the angry face, and if you have a look here, I've made up some TPU type hinges. Now we are getting sort of 3D printed into this little guy here with this guy and a couple of other bits. The hinges here. So what I've done here, I don't know whether you can see that there, but I've put those adjustable knobbies on there, and I've made a C-section with two slots, and glued that on, put the knife in, wiggled it around, done the same on this, and put the TPU hinge in there. So we'll see how we go. We've swung around now from that direction, so we're sort of going a bit mental here today. So we'll take off from the grass and we'll see how we go. Nothing or no one around. So
welcome to OpenTX.
I'll see how the hover mode goes.
Copilot on. Cruise mode. Hover mode.
Righto. Let's see, and if we go into that.
Copilot on. Cruise mode. Hover mode. Take off.
Windy for it, I'd say.